guys, welcome again to another BTC daily update. I hope you are doing great today. In today's BTC daily update, as always, I will be analyzing for you the Bitcoin daily time frame chart, the Bitcoin 4-hour chart, and the Bitcoin 1-hour chart. Hopefully giving you my thoughts and opinions with regards to the market, and hopefully this will help guide you in the decision that you're going to take with regards to the crypto markets. With that being said, as always, like, share, and subscribe. It means a lot if you can help the channel grow. It will provide me more motivation to keep providing you guys with more content. With that being said, let's just jump straight to the charts and see what's happening with BTC. So we're going to start with the daily time frame first, and then we're going to move to the 4-hour and then the 1-hour time frame. And just a quick reminder, daily means 5 to 10 days. 4-hour means 24 to 48 hours. The 1-hour means 6 to 12 hours. So yeah, let's start with the daily first. As per yesterday's video, guys, I reminded you, and I will keep reminding you, that I told you that we are bearish on the daily time frame, and I was expecting the move to be something like this to the downside in best case scenario, sweeping the highs and then going towards the low. Unfortunately, we didn't get the sweep of the highs, but we did get the sweep of the lows. All right, so we did go to the lows. My reason of us sweeping the lows is because of the CME gap that was there. Now there's some good news and there's some bad news. The good news is that one of the gaps has been swept. So this gap right here has been swept already. As you can see, price action engulfed it completely. The bad news is that there's another small gap right here between 59.5 and 59.9. The problem is that there is a huge difference between the BTC CME price and the BTC USDT perps price. As you can see, there's around a $300 difference between them. So that just means basically that even though the gap is between 59.9 and 59.5, that doesn't mean that Bitcoin will go to 59.9 or to 59. Actually, it already went to that price, and the gap wasn't filled. So what this means is that we need to be monitoring the BTC CME futures chart, and once that future chart does something like this, where price action engulfs all the gap, then you'll know that the gap has been filled. Okay? So good news, first gap is filled. Bad news is another gap that could take BTC to as low as 58k, 58, 59k easily. Now on the daily time frame, obviously the indicators are on the daily are in an area where there should be at least a small push to the upside. At least a small push to the upside. The problem right now for me is that the structure for Bitcoin on the daily is very, very bad. Very, very bad. We are in a huge downward channel, yes, but on the daily, structurally, this is a fake out, and we're retesting the lows, and we're losing the heartland of the channel. So this just screams this for me, all right? The only way we invalidate us going to the lower end of the channel is if we can get consolidation above this area. So we cannot lose this box right here. We need to hold this box. We need to hold the bottom of the channel preferably, and that will give us a nice channel to trade. Or at least we need to hold the lows, at least, in order to get one more chance to be bullish one. Maybe the buyers step in and take us all the way back again to 65k. If we can't do that, unfortunately, I think we will be revisiting the lower end of this huge channel formation that you see here. Now, this is a bull flag, hopium. Be careful for the hopium, but this is a bull flag. But yeah, if we lose the lows again, then most likely this is just, channel tap formation. So tap of the top, tap of the bottom, tap of the top, tap of the bottom, tap of the top, tap of the bottom, zigzagging till it finally either breaks out from the top or from the bottom. Just be very, very careful because fake outs may tend to happen. All right. So here, for example, two double tops. We need, if I can get two double bottoms here, it's a bullish sign. You need to wait for confirmation of bullish signs in order to enter. If you don't get them, just be very, very careful. So daily, as again, no change. Still bearish, still under the EMAs. What we need consolidation under a specific level, and then a strong move up with a breakout candle similar to this, or else we will remain in a downward trend towards the bottom of the channel. Right? And personally speaking, I don't think we're gonna retest the highs now. Right? I think if we're gonna get any bullish movement towards the upside from here, from where we are right now, maximum I see it sweeping this high. Maximum. I don't see it going here, and I don't see it breaking out anything here. I think this should be tapped first before any move up towards the top of the channel, okay? Because we already had tap up, tap down, tap up, and now logically we need another tap down, All right. Um, so yeah, that is the analysis for the daily time frame. For the 4-hour time frame, as I told you guys yesterday, the 4-hour remained bearish, and what we needed is we needed consolidation over a specific area. Our interest was this area right here, which is between 61.5 and 61.8. But we didn't get that consolidation that we wanted. As you can see here, 4-hour candle just ripped through, just sliced through that area. So if we could have gotten some consolidation over the next, as I said, 12 to 24 hours, then that would be your trigger for a long entry. Unfortunately, that didn't happen, and right now we are sitting at the bottom of the channel. The good news on the 4-hour time frame is, like I said, we are entering the 4-hour has almost done its full, bullish to bearish cycle. If you go to the indicators, a bullish to bearish cycle means going from green to red, basically, and a bearish to bullish cycle means going from red to green. So we're gonna keep forming these valleys, basically. So right now we have our red. What we need is dark red color forming a nice curvature, and we need some consolidation on the lower time frames above this low that was printed here around 59.5k. Maybe a wick is possible, but we need candle closes above the bottom of the channel, and that will give us a nice legit channel to trade, basically. All right, and again, this will potentially take us to sweep the highs once more if we are able to meet the requirements that I spoke about right now. Okay, we need to hold, we need that dark red valley to be forming, we need consolidation above the lows, we don't need to see candle closes below the bottom of the channel, and obviously your super confirmation will come when we reclaim the 4-hour EMAs, which are sitting in around 61.8. So just let's say for argument's sake, 62k. So reclaiming 62k is more than enough for me to say that we're probably going to go towards the high and sweep the highs. So sweep that 63.7, 64k area. All right. So yeah, 4-hour, that's my analysis. As for the 1-hour time frame, the 1-hour time frame is very, very similar to the 1-hour time to the 4-hour time frame. So what we're looking for here is probable consolidation. On the 1-hour though, there's a big difference, obviously, in moves. On the 1-hour, your move will probably be from the lows, which is somewhere here, let's say, towards the 4-hour EMAs, which is the heartland of the channel. So let's say to around 61.5, 61, 61.2. So it will be like $1,000 move, basically. All right, that's what a 1-hour time frame bullish move looks like. Whereas for the 4-hour time frame, a bullish move on the 4-hour is a little bit more than that. It's probably like 2-3k move. All right. So on the 1-hour time frame, same criteria. We're still waiting for consolidation. We're still waiting for bullish. Now till now it's looking good. I'm not gonna lie and say it's not looking good. We're getting a lot of 1-hour candles consolidating above the lows, but we still haven't reclaimed the 1-hour EMAs, and we're still below them, and we're not really moving. So this is something not very, very good. But like I said, if we can hold the bottom of the channel and we don't get any candle closes below it, then most likely we will get a nice channel to be trading here to the upside. And that is it for today's Bitcoin analysis, guys. I wish I could give you more hopium and more bullish predictions, but till now I don't see anything bullish, especially on higher time frames. Like I said, I think we tapped the lows first, and I think end of year is when the bull run hype starts. Not now. I think what's gonna happen now is a very just slow chop to the downside that's gonna make a lot of people desperate, a lot of people anxious, upset, and just it's gonna make a lot of people give up. So just don't give up. End of year is where we're looking at for bullish momentum. As of now, from now till then, just think about accumulating slowly, dollar cost averaging, and hopefully by next year you'll be more than happy with the decision that you took today. As always, guys, thank you for watching the video, and I will see you again next time. Bye bye.